As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Weber Genesis 2 E-335 and the Char-Griller Flat Iron 3-burner. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. The Weber is a classic, right? It's got a really solid reputation. The Char-Griller seems more like a flat-top griddle.
Exactly. The Weber boasts porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates, which are supposed to be great for even heat. And it has a sear station, which sounds awesome for getting that perfect crust on steaks.
True, but the Char-Griller's a griddle, so it's all about that flat surface. You can do pancakes, eggs, smash burgers, totally different vibe. It has a 520 square inch cooking surface.
Good point. The Weber also has a tuck-away warming rack, which is handy. It's also got an enclosed cabinet for storage. Dimensions are 29 DX 59 inches, WX 47 H.
The Char-Griller has a hinged lid and foldable side shelf. That's a nice feature. Plus, it comes with spatulas and a scraper, so you're ready to go from the start.
I noticed the Weber is currently unavailable. That's a bummer. And it only weighs 20 pounds? That seems light for a grill.
That's just the item weight, not the grill itself. The Char-Griller is available, and it includes a cover, which is a definite plus.
Ah, okay. The Weber does have the iGrill 3 compatibility. You can monitor your food from your phone. Fancy.
Cool feature, but you have to buy the iGrill 3 separately. The Char-Griller is more basic, but it includes the Griddle accessory kit. It's more about straightforward cooking.
The Weber has 4.9 stars with 75 ratings. That's pretty impressive.
The Char-Griller only has 4.2 stars with 6 ratings, so it's a newer product with fewer reviews.
So, basically, the Weber is a high-end grill with some cool tech, but it's unavailable right now. The Char-Griller is a more affordable griddle with accessories included and is available.
Yeah, it really depends on what kind of cooking you want to do. Burgers and steaks? Weber. Pancakes and stir-fry? Char-Griller.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.